Hi there, my name's Paul. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to take you around one of our Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Luton vans. Going to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features and the benefits that this fantastic van's got to offer. So, first thing I want to talk about is the fact that all of our used vans, including this one, go through and pass a 128-point AA inspection. Having passed that inspection, the vehicle comes with 3 months AA warranty as a standard. However, you can upgrade this to 1, 2 or 3 years at your discretion. Now, 3-year extended warranty is reduced to $599 at the moment, spread over a 5-year payment plan. That's going to work out such as a hire purchase deal at £10 per month, which is basically what it costs for me to insure my mobile phone. On top of that, we're going to throw in a year's AA roadside assistance. That's good for 1 call out in the year. Again, you can upgrade this to unlimited call-outs for merely £1 extra per month as well. On top of that, we've applied a triple layer Gardex treatment to this vehicle. That's a paint protection pack. That's going to protect you against any negative effects of UV from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, or anything at all that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to this vehicle's lovely finish. Now, just moving around to the side of the vehicle, you're going to get an idea of how much payload space there is in the back of this van. It's a 3.5 ton, 3,500 kilo maximum allowed mass vehicle. Tail lift just there on the back, as you can see. Controls for that tail lift just there on that lower corner on the near side. Coming down the near side further, and just behind that passenger door there, that's where we have our diesel filler. So let's start the vehicle up and have a look inside. Okay, so I'm back on that near side corner. I've got the isolator switch switched on. Just going to bring the tail lift down now. So let's get that down and have a look in the back. Okay, so looking into that rear storage area, in terms of dimensions from the floor to the bottom of the ribs on the ceiling, 222 centimetres. Between the racking on the sidewalls there, 208 centimetres. And then from the bulkhead all the way along the floor there to the back, and you've got 405 centimetres of decent usable storage length. Now, controls just there on the inside of the door frame, going to switch them on. They will take over the tail lift function. Really easy access in here. You've got a meter of storage above the head height of the cab. You've got an LED cluster there at the top of the vehicle as well, so if you're working in low light, it's going to make that nice and easy for you. Series as well of tie down points, so if you need anything tied down, it's going to make that nice and easy for you. So loads and loads going on there on the back payload area. Let's jump into the cab and have a look in there. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side, loads of storage in the driver door spaces, electronic central locking, electronically controlled windows. We've also got automatic headlights included as well. 3 adjustable headrests for maximum convenience, 3 3-point seat belts for maximum safety. We've also got a tilt adjuster for the driver's backrest and a height adjuster for added convenience for the driver. Sitting in the driver's seat now, looking at the dash display first of all. Now, let's just get those messages off there. So, nice crystal clear, easy to read display there. No engine management lights on, which is perfect. And lots of options to go through on that central display there. So, to go through those options, all I'm doing there is using the touchpad on the right side of the steering wheel. You've got your cruise control on that side as well, volume control, voice control, hands-free calling options on the left, along with the media controls for the media system. It's a really nice, easy to use system. You've got DAB radio included amongst your AM and FM bands. You can stream audio from any connected Bluetooth device as well as having the hands-free calling options that we've mentioned earlier. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To use that, you're just going to use the USB point in the center of that dash storage area. That's going to bring your phone up on this device for you. Lots and lots of driving functions as well for you, and assistance is in there as well. Moving down, you've got the climate controls there. You've also got keyless ignition with this vehicle. 6-speed manual gearbox. Next to that, you've got the isolator switch there for the tail lift. So absolutely loads and loads going on in this vehicle. Lots of lighting options on the top with the SOS call button as well. Loads of functionality and versatility from this vehicle for you. Okay, so that is our Mercedes Sprinter Luton van. I'm sure you'd agree, fantastic van, loads and loads of features and benefits there for you. Now, if there's anything further we can do to assist with the purchase, please don't hesitate to let us know, and it'll be a pleasure to look after you however we possibly can. Thank you very much as well for your time today. Have a fantastic day ahead. We'll look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Bye now.